Hi, I'm Ellen.
And I'm Ria, and we're students from Bloor Collegiate Institute in Toronto.
I'm sure many of you have already heard about bioplastics, such as water bottles and packaging, but today we are learning about a different type of plastic, styrofoam. So, what exactly is styrofoam? Is it even a plastic or a problem? Well, styrofoam is an expanded form of polystyrene, which means it's a polymer. Surprisingly enough, it's a petroleum-based plastic, and it is definitely a problem. Its chemical formula looks like this. What are some environmental impacts? Well, there's air pollution created during the manufacturing process. These toxic chemicals can end up in our airways and waterways, polluting the earth. Styrofoam also has a huge impact on thousands of workers who help with the production of this material. However, the main issue that makes styrofoam a huge problem is that it is non-biodegradable. It can essentially last forever because it is resistant to photolysis, which is the process of breaking down materials using photons from a light source. Because it doesn't break down, it keeps getting reduced to smaller and smaller pieces. It gets into our waterways, and due to its porous nature, it absorbs other pollutants like DDT and various others in the water. Since it's lightweight, it floats, making it a main component of marine debris and a large portion of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Animals, especially fish, think it's food, and they are dying due to blockages and toxins. It is also not a sustainable idea because of its petroleum base. Fortunately, it's not all bad news. Living during an era of scientific innovation, we are coming up with solutions. Companies like Ecovative developed an eco-friendly version of styrofoam. Mycofoam, which is a mushroom-based material that acts as a substitute to styrofoam, uses the mass of interwoven filamentous hyphae that forms especially the vegetative portion of the thallus of a fungus. Basically, it uses a bunch of mushroom roots, and this material is known as mycelium. Not only can you use it to replace plastic packaging, but you can also use it as insulation in buildings. There are many benefits. This is just one example of eco-friendly styrofoam substitutes. Other companies use corrugated cardboard to make packaging material similar to styrofoam, serving the same purpose and also being cost competitive. This solution is easily plausible and implementable. Big companies are already making the switch, such as IKEA and Dell. Small companies also use alternatives because it shows that they are giving back and caring about the environment. We contacted IKEA to inquire about their packaging information, and this is what we got back from them. So, if big corporations can make the switch, so can you. It's our generation that's going to have to deal with this issue, so it's up to us to do something about it. If we can make this small change in our plastic packaging today, we can change the future of packaging, and together we will be able to create a beautiful tomorrow for the future generations.